A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped for a jaw-dropping 68 years non-stop. Imagine dealing with this involuntary reflex for your entire life. Charles started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Despite consulting numerous doctors and trying countless remedies, his hiccups persisted, making everyday activities like eating and speaking a constant challenge. Charles even became a medical curiosity, with his case studied by experts worldwide. Ultimately, he hiccuped an estimated 430 million times over his lifetime, turning a common annoyance into an unimaginable lifelong ordeal.